Let's review the low-temperature 3D pen from ThreeDraw. 3 stencils, a menu, an Android USB cable, a filament pack, and a 3D printing pen. Temperature is very low with this 3D pen, making it risk-free for children. You can even draw on your palms. A built-in battery provides at least 1.5 hours of power supply at full charge. This pen can go cordless, and you can use it while being charged. One click to load and unload filaments. Automatic unloading at 2 minutes of no operation. Make this pen easier and safer to use. Despite that, the cartoon design of the pen delights children too.